Hello, lovelies. How are you doing? Today we are continuing our laundry detergents. So I've got the soap that we made. It has gone a bit brownish. It's because of the fragrance oil I put in the soap. I shouldn't have done that if I wanted it white. So in case you're going to make your soap from scratch, make sure you don't put your fragrance oil in your cold process soap. If you want any scent in your laundry detergent, when you've put everything together, then you can add your fragrance or your essential oils in it. But it's not going to change anything. It still smells great. It's just that the color has turned into a creamy color. I ordered these things. I ordered the arm and hammer laundry booster, and also boras, and it's taken some time to arrive. It took like 2 to 3 weeks before I got it today, this morning, and I decided to make the video. So we're going to start grating our soap. I'm using this grater. I'm using the part that is very small because I don't want to blend the soap after if I use the side. Some people use this or there to grate the soap. They will put it in their food processor to blend it. I rather use this and grate the soap to get a fine granules than using I don't even have a food processor. That is it. So let's just use here. So going to grate it. It will take a while, but I have no choice. I don't have any food processor anyway. So you see that it's very fine. This is how it looks like. It's very small and fine powder, so it's okay. So it's going to take a while. I hope you all will try it. This is my first time of trying it anyway. So let's all try it together. This channel is all about learning. So let's all learn together. If you have any ideas, you bring it on board, we share together. And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends, please. Try and share with people and subscribe so that we can move the community forward. At the moment, I haven't been able to make more videos because looking at the subscription is very disheartening when you have to buy products like I've bought these ingredients to make all this, and then you then get subscribers to watch it. It's very sad. So please do well to subscribe and share with your families and friends to also subscribe. Let's help the channel grow. Oh, this is hard. Oh. Well, if you have a food processor, you can use any part that you want, then you blend it. But at this moment, I've got no food processor, so I have to use my manpower. No, I'm wrong. Not manpower, is it? My woman power. Okay. Ooh. Okay, lovelies. Been able to grate this amount as the bar soap is very hard, and for the purpose of this video, I'll just leave it like this. I'm going to do a small amount for demonstration. So this is our soap granules that I have grated. Okay, so we're going to be measuring it. We are going to make sure that everything is up to 100%. So we've got borax here, which is multi-purpose cleaner. It's also a water softener and a stain remover. The laundry booster, which is Arm and Hammer, that is what I'm using. It's a laundry booster and also a cleaner. I got these from Amazon, so you can get it from Amazon. When you do your soap, then you make your own laundry detergent. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make 200 grams of our laundry detergent soap. So I'm going to measure. So at the moment, the 100% is 40, 40, 20. So I'm going to measure 40 grams of this. So I've got 40 grams. So if you don't have a scale, you just do the 2-to-1 ratio. So you use your cup, you do 2 of this, 2 of that, and 1 of this. That's 2-to-1 ratio. So with the 2-to-1 ratio, you do, if you have a scale, you do 40, 40, then 20. Okay, right. So we are doing 200 grams, and this 40, we're going to double it and make it 80 grams to add to our grated soap. So I'm going to measure 80 grams. Oh. I over poured it. Okay, I've got 80 grams. I'll pour it into our glass bowl here. We'll do 80 as well. So I got this from Amazon. I bought it from Amazon, but they actually took this booster came like within 5 days, but the borax took a long time for it to come. I need something to break this. Okay, so we pour 80 of our booster. We got our 80 here. So we mix all together. You can just use your hand to mix everything. Of course, if you try this and you use it in your machine and you feel like you have to increase the soap, you make sure that everything adds up to 100%. You can tweak it, you can change the formula and everything. Then this is it. This is our soap detergent done. Thank you for watching. So Pope Pius, this is the detergent that you asked for. You do your soap, you grate it, you get your 2 ingredients and you measure and you are done. Okay, but one thing people have been saying about laundry detergent is that when you use it for a longer period, some of your cotton stuff starts to become harder. So I will suggest when that time comes, you probably want to use a washing conditioner to help or assist with the washing. But until then, this is how you make your laundry detergent. Thank you for watching. Please share with your friends and family. Let them subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. Like my subscriber commented and wanted to know how to make this, you can also suggest for something. But please let people come and join this family. Let's all learn together. Thank you again and see you another time. Bye.